Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to install ambient light under the gear stick console. So this is the light that you have to order. The code is 90010-654 or 13318427. So this is the light that comes from factory on some models, depending on the ear and the trim level. We start by removing the central console first. It's easier to remove the gear stick, and you can see better how to do the wiring. So you can pull this out to get access to the lighter in the back. So the light comes installed like this. Some cars, depending on the trim level, like I said, come with a wiring. Makes it easier to install it. So this is the plug that should be from factory. You connect it to the other plug. If you don't have the wiring from factory, you can cut the plug that comes on the light and connect it to the cable from the cigarette lighter here. I'm assuming the black one. So you have a purple and a black wire. The black one probably is ground, and the purple it's plus. Put everything back together. You have here on the cigarette lighter console have these two legs. Let's say one needs to come here and one here. Then you put the gear stick back on. Then the central console. The two screws on the side.